Good morning everyone and welcome to our daily morning talk on Formnext TV. As every morning I have an appointment with the Vice President of Formnext, Sascha Wenzler. Good morning Sascha, welcome.
Hello Guido, good morning.
Day 3 and we have a very good response from the market. The last 2 days have been a true success. I think that's what we were all waiting for to get this good response. So let's talk about the third day and what we all can expect from this day. Last year, on the show floor, there was a partner country, which was North America, and we met the wonderful people from the American market, and we had plenty of interviews, and we met them all, and that was great. Which partner country do we have this year?
Yeah, for this year, the partner country is China, and we tried to solve at least some elements we had last year on the show floor and transfer them on the virtual platform. So what we will have today and see today and welcome today are experts from China and from Europe talking together in a panel about the market situation in China. There is a big market for additive manufacturing and it's developing very, very fast. A lot of companies are brand new and on the market, they are on fire, and that's a real important case to have a spotlight on. So that's one of the central elements today, to have a panel discussion with panelists about this.
But this is not the only panel that we're experiencing today. So what else do the panels offer?
Yeah, we have the second day of the TCT conference running today. And today it's very early in the morning.
So it's in parallel to our this morning show.
Yeah.
This TCT panels are running already. Yeah. But the spectators shouldn't be afraid of losing anything, because if you are seeing us live now, don't worry, the conferences will all be recorded and you can have them on demand later on. So don't worry, stay here with us and you can see the rest of the TCT conferences later on.
Yeah, that's right. So the central elements of the conference will be available later on. That's one of the advantages when you have a virtual platform.
Yeah.
So we have the conference running. We will have another panel dedicated to the mold and die industry, one important, highly important user industry for additive manufacturing, because you can do a lot of things with molds when you make them maybe a little bit more efficient by using additive manufacturing technology for certain use cases. And this one is offered and organized by the German Association of the Mold and Tooling Companies. So that's also on the program today.
Which is in fact a short program, because it terminates at 1400 Central Europe time, right?
Yeah, you're right. So regularly we would have another show day coming, the Friday. But for a virtual event, we decided to make it a little bit more concentrated. Even we had a wonderful and very packed program over the last 2.5 days. But the live program finishes today at 1400 Central European time. Guido, you're right. But we will have a lot of on-demand content available, still available until December 31st. So everybody of you will have a lot of time to reflect Formnext Connect and to find a lot of content and a lot of topics again on the platform on demand. And also we finish only the live program today, but it's still possible for everybody to connect. So all the visitors can meet the exhibitors, they can chat, they can contact them, and they can directly talk about everything they are interested in. So this will not stop at 2 o'clock today.
That's good to hear. I'm very excited. So if you want, you can have access to all the contents until the end of this year, the 31st of December 2020. Thank you for this morning talk on the third day. I'm very excited about this new digital virtual format of Formnext. I think it is a great success. Thanks Sascha for joining me. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Guido, thanks.